Hey y'all, it's Jaila aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back / welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. So I posted this video on Instagram Reels and on Shorts, and y'all seem to absolutely love this, so I'm gonna recreate this look for y'all today. It's what I would call everyday glam, natural glam. If you want to see how to achieve this exact look, go ahead and keep on watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button and join all 17,000 of us over here. Okay, we lit. Again, hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you can know anytime I'm posting a new video. Funny thing about this whole makeup look is I have a video exactly like this on my channel already. I'll go ahead and link it up above. It's super beginner friendly. I did a talk through and really just explained the why of what I was doing in that video. So again, check that out. But I asked y'all in my community tab if you wanted to see an updated look, and you said yes. So we here, I'm gonna give you an update, and I'm gonna do exactly what I did in order to achieve the look that I showed you earlier. Let's start off with our primer. I'm using the Milk, if this gonna focus, I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. To me, hands down, the best primer that I've ever tried. Go ahead and apply that. For foundations, y'all, I'm going with my tried and true base combination, and it is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the color 360. And I always mix this with the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Longwear Foundation, and this is in the color 385. I always have to mix in order to get like my perfect shade match, and I also just get my perfect finish. And once I feel like the brush has given me the coverage that I want, I'm gonna go in with my sponge and I'm gonna diffuse everything. All right, y'all, so this is what the foundation is looking like. My base is super important because it's the foundation. Okay, so as long as my base looks good, I know the rest is gonna look good. So let's move on to concealer. I'm gonna conceal using the Fenty Pro Filter concealers. I'm gonna use the color 350 underneath my eyes, which is definitely lighter than me, but also a little warmer than me. I'm not naturally yellow. I actually have a neutral undertone. But then for the rest of my face, I'm going to use 360, which is kind of my foundation shade and definitely my undertone. Concealing my mustache, giving me some light right there, giving me some light down the bridge of my nose. And you can see it's something slight. It's not doing a lot. But we are going to brighten up underneath our eyes. Just so y'all know, I'm going to set my face with the Mented, I'll show y'all later, but it's the Mented setting powder in Light to Tan. This is like the only setting powder I use. And I just set everywhere that I put concealer. So yeah, once I've set everything, I'm gonna go back with the same side that I used my foundation on, and I'm gonna kind of blend my edges. This is the Mented Loose Setting Powder in the color Light to Tan. All of these products will be listed in the description box below. I actually have a coupon code with Mented, so make sure you go ahead and shop using my link. You can get some money off, and I can also make a little, you know, a little commission based off of your purchase. So again, go ahead and shop these products using the links in my description box below. Moving right along to blush, we are going to use the Mented blush in the color Peach for the stars. This is my favorite blush of all time. I know Fenty just came out with a peach blush. I'm very interested in trying that. They should really put me on their PR list, but they should. So I'm gonna go in with this. And for me, blush is the product that takes it there, because first of all, the glow, and it's just giving me the most beautiful little subtle peach color. We are just gonna use this for our eyeshadow as well. So taking some more of that blush, I'm gonna sweep it right across my lid and then bring it back to connect it right here. Now we're gonna do that same exact thing with our bronzer. This is the Fenty bronzer in the color Caramel Cutie. Bring some color to our face. And then once again, instead of using eyeshadow, we're just gonna take our bronzer and go right into our crease using the exact same brush as well. We are really not trying to overcomplicate this. We're gonna go ahead and spray our face down with our MAC Fix Plus. Highlight that we're using today is from Fenty, and it is called Royal Icing. Like one of the newer products that I got from Fenty. Before our face completely dries, let's go right in. And I'm gonna start back here with my Diamond Balm. One last time with my sponge. I'm gonna use a clean side this time, and I'm gonna press everything in. We are gonna go into our eyebrows. I'm gonna go in with this Mented pencil in the color Brown Brow Down. Is going in and setting that brow with some edge control. Yes, y'all, I use edge control on my brows. Next step, and this is a step where you could do it exactly like I did it in the last video and only wear mascara, or we can add lashes. So first I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. Now, you could very well stop here and just wear your natural lashes with mascara, but we are gonna go ahead and add lashes to this look to take it from here to here, okay? And the lashes that I'm using are the lashes that I use literally the past 10 videos that y'all seen from me. I've been wearing these lashes. These lashes are from the May Beauty. Let me see if I can get a close-up on them. There you go. They are from the May Beauty. They are called Tighten, y'all. So hopefully y'all can see what they look like. However, I cut these lashes significantly. So this is probably like a 3/4 lash rather than being a full lash. So we are only gonna place it like on the outer corner of our lashes. But before we actually apply these lashes, I like to go in with extra security. So I'm gonna use this, baby, it's from Kiss. This is their lash glue liner, and this is just a clear one, and I'm gonna make a really quick like eyeliner, invisible eyeliner, just so my lashes stay on all day. I don't have to worry about them lifting. So I don't know if y'all can see this, but the product goes on basically white and it dries clear. And as you can see, I'm not applying it all the way inside. It's really more so on the outside of my eye. I don't know about y'all, but I don't want any of like that mascara to be looking clumpy on me, and I don't really want to see that lash line. So this is when I take just a brown, this is really a contour palette, but I'm gonna take this as an eyeshadow, and I'm gonna basically just line my bottom lash line with brown, and then I'm going to do the same process to the top of my lash line and kind of give it like a little smoked out effect, just so we're not like too obvious with the lash band. So last thing we got to do is the lips. So we are going in with this brown, and this is Mented in the color Bear. But with the double line, you go in with the darker brown on the outside, and this one is Dose of Colors Nima Tang collection in the color Chocolate Chip. And last but not least, we're gonna finish it off with a gloss bomb. This is in the color Fussy. Alright y'all, so this is the look. This is our everyday glam look. You can wear this look to so many occasions. It can be a daytime look. It can really serve as a nighttime look as well. Events or just like going out with your friends. This is the look. So let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Again, y'all would think that I did a whole bunch of different things from that last video, but I really didn't. I just added some lashes. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also like this video so that YouTube can share with other people. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. She has an event to go to, girl. She needs to hurry up. She got about 15 minutes.